Good evening, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me. This is Ada Stainless Kitchen again. Oh, Stainless Kitchen, the food maker. Up so it don't come out again today. Now vegetable now we take come out. Oyoko. Vegetable now be this. So now different meat dey inside where you want. You go see a fish day, shaki day, the whole assorted day inside. Even fish dey inside. Vegetable we get level na be this. No be small pikin soup be this one o. Na make poor man. If poor man look as condition be, go say na beer too bitter because you no get money. See ya. This one na the one wey be say if you chop finish for this hot weather, just use cold beer take send and go out sleep where you dey dream good dream. See am vegetable here. I corn. This one a dry vegetable. No vegetable you cook water go full. Ne. You see am vegetable. Stainless Kitchen, the food maker. Stainless no go keep people. See am here. Oyoko. Stainless one mama. This one they go padinyam. Na padinyam we get level. They go padinyam. Vegetable. Veggie. Maybe this. Anyway, this my vegetable. The one I take cook today on spinach with water leaf. I mix them together. Not be only spinach I use. You know, I mix them with small water leaf. You see, because now what the person wants. Now be this one. I just mix it with small water leaf. You know. Veggie. Stainless Kitchen. Not go keep people a beg. One of the drinks, yeah. Swallow speed. Stainless Kitchen. Oyoko. See ya.